तो आइए दोस्तों एक और खूबसूरत सवाल करते हैं। एंड दोस्तों ये जो सवाल है, यदि आप इसको मैथ्स के थ्रू सॉल्व करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली विल बी फेसिंग सम प्रॉब्लम्स. I will give you the best way or the easier way. I can say best, so I cannot say that it can be best, it can be better also. ठीक है, so I will give you a better way to solve this question, because such questions are definitely being asked in higher level examination like CAT and Z. So let us see how to solve this question. So first of all we should be going through the question. So A and B running towards each other with the speed 2 meter 5 second 5 meter per second. If the distance between them is 140 meter, ठीक है, then find how many times they meet when A completes 3 rounds. ठीक है, so the question is that when they are running at a distance of 140 meter, they are coming towards each other, they meet in between, and A is going to B place, then B is going to A place, and the things are that they are completing such rounds. ठीक है, so the question is that in how many times they will be meeting if A completes 3 rounds. Is it clear? Okay, so let us see how to solve this question. So first of all let us picturize it. So the condition is that A and B, they are running towards each other, and let the destination name be X and Y, no problem in that, and they are initially 140 meter apart. ठीक है, now the thing is that A is running at 2 meter per second and B is running at 5 meter per second. So the thing, I want to ask you very basic things, that what is the time taken by A to complete one round? Complete one round. So you'll be saying sir 140 meter and the speed of A is 20, so that is 70 seconds. Is it clear? No problem in that. And what is the time taken by B to complete one round? So again that will be 120 divided by 5, 28 seconds. Okay, no problem in that. Now the thing is that the speed ratio between A and B, you can see the speed ratio between A and B, that is if I complete SA and SB, so I can say the speed ratio, or I must say SB upon SA, one and the same thing, 5:2, so that is greater than 2. So if the speed ratio is more than double, then things are not actually normal, because sometimes it happens that in a single round they can meet also twice, and they can meet even for none, means 0 times. So that's why I'm telling you a way to solve this question by the graph way. ठीक है, तो ग्राफ वे से इस सवाल को दोस्तों हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं करने का. As I told you, this is the time I have calculated for the single round. ठीक है, so let us consider, I try to just remove it, even I can write it here as B upon SA, that is 5:2, and that is greater than 2. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to plot a graph. Okay, so this here we have distance, and here I want to plot the we can say time taken by the person to complete one round. Starting with the A, so let us suppose A is starting with this place, and B is starting just opposite, that is 140 meter. So let us consider this is 140 meter. So this is 35, this is 70, this is 105, and this is 40. Now it is in meter, right? Now I just make a horizontal line, because every time they have to cover 140 meter to complete one round. So first of all I need to calculate, or I need to draw the graph of A. So A is doing the things in 70 seconds and B is doing the things in 28 seconds. So I'm just plotting. So what is the 210 we have to calculate, because 3 rounds we have to complete. So let it be 28, then 56, 84, 112, then we have 140, then we have 168, then we have 196. I believe it is clear to you. And this is 184, so this is 140, then this is 168, this is going to be 196, and this is going to be 224, and this is going to be 252, and this is going to be 280. Right, so I have just calculated in terms of 20-28 का interval. Now the thing is that okay, no problem, just calculate. ठीक है, the thing is that A is completing one round in 70 seconds. So I'll be getting 70 somewhere around like that. Okay, I'll be getting 70 somewhere around like that. So A is doing one round in 70 seconds, because we have to focus on A, because the thing is that A has to complete 3 rounds and the race will be over, then we will be saying number of meeting point निकाल लेते हैं. So this will be the graph of A. No issues, very fine. Now next round will be completed by A in 140 seconds. So here it is 140 seconds actually. So this is 140 seconds, no issues. And now again it is taking, this is 70 actually, this is 70, 140, then this is going to be 210 for the 3 rounds. ठीक है, तो 3 rounds के लिए, by 3 rounds के लिए the time taken by A would be 70 into 3, that is 210 seconds, right? So I'll be marking 210 something around here. Okay, so this is 210. So this is the graph of the A. ठीक है, A has completed 3 rounds. So when A has completed 3 rounds, so the thing is that how many rounds B has completed, that is the thing. So the thing is that B also has 210 seconds to finish whatever be the number of rounds, because we have constrained and we have given that A has to complete 3 rounds only. So in how many distance, what is the distance traveled by B in the 210 seconds? So we have 200 seconds and it is taking speed is 5 actually. So this is 1050 and each round contains 140 meters. So different rounds would be, I hope it is visible, not visible, I will be writing here RB, rounds by B. Okay, so that will be 1050 and I can say it is divisible by 140. So 7 से 15 जाएगा दोस्तों, ऊपर लिखता हूँ यहाँ से 7 से 15, 7 से, so we will be covering only 7.5 rounds. ठीक है, so we will be covering 7.5 rounds. So I'll be marking the graph with the B. ठीक है, with the red marker. So first round is completed 28 seconds. Every time it is completing 28 seconds, one round will be completing. So first of all we'll be completing like that. So this is the first round of B, right? Similarly B is completing second round in 56 seconds. So this is B, right? Is it clear? Similarly B is completing third round in 84 seconds. I believe it is clear. 4 round in 112. Okay, so let it be something like that. Is it clear guys? Now fifth round would be 140. B would be there. So 28, then 56, then 84, 112, then 140, right? 140. We have to just go by the 7 round. 6th round would be 168. And 7th round would be 196. And we have to complete just 8th round also, but we are not required. And if I go by that way also, so that would be that is 168, 196, and 224. So 224 will be here, right? Okay, no issues. So I believe you are able to understand the graph that I have drawn for A and B. Okay, so B is representing red color and A is represented by the black color. Now the important thing starts to observe. You have to just observe the things. So whenever they are coming towards each other, there will be meeting, and might be possible when B is chasing A, then meeting is possible. Okay, because it is happening, B is faster actually, so B can approach A from the behind, so that it can catch the A also. So first meeting would be here in the very first round. In the very first round they are coming towards each other. Now B is going from, now B is at A, or we can say this location is X. So B is coming to A's place, then start moving back. So there will be second meeting. Whenever the graph is intersecting, they are actually meeting. And now B is returning and A is again in the first round. A is again in the first round. So this is again 3 times. So 3 times they have meet actually when A is just moving, because A is taking actually 70 seconds to cover the one round and B is taking only 28 seconds. So 28, 2 rounds, and again A will be in the second round and then B will be approaching. So I can say first round, second round, third round, and A is only just doing one round completed. Now A is in the second round and B is now coming this way, so there will be intersection. Now fourth meeting point will be here. So this is M1, this is guys M2 meeting point, this is guys M3, this is also M4. Now B is coming, A is coming downwards, B is upward, so we have to just focus on the A also. So at this 140 location, at this 140 seconds, both are at the same spot, ठीक है, क्योंकि by 170 plus 170, so A would be here. After 140 second, A will be completing only 2 rounds, so A will be at the same location from the point where he started or it is started. Now B in 140 second completed 5 rounds, because 28 into 5 140, so 1 round, 2 round, 3 round, 4 round, 5 rounds. So A and B at the same spot now. So this is the same spot. So of course they are meeting actually. Of course they are meeting. So this is going to be the 5th meeting actually. So because they are meeting at the same spot initial M5. Now just focus on it. A has started 3rd round, right? And B also started his 6th round actually, but there will be no meeting. That is important. So there will be no meeting in that graph. You can see there will be no meeting, there no intersection. But when B is returning for its which round, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th round, so you can see they are again meeting. So that is meeting number 6. Now the race has been completed because A has completed 3 rounds, so we are not actually interested in calculating the number of points more times. So how many meetings points we got? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So my answer would be they have met 6 times. When A has completed 3 rounds. So this is the best way actually to do the such question, and the thing is that their speed ratio must be greater than 2. Then this graph is actually giving you the answer in quickest way, because the thing is that the examiner is not going to ask you the distance also, but in case the examiner is asking you the distance also, you can find the distance also, because if I consider the triangle, the height of the triangle will be giving me the distances, ठीक है. तो अगर मैं इन ट्राइंगल्स की हाइट लेता हूँ, then I can also calculate the distances calculated by the each person, but that will be too tedious actually. But you should know how to calculate the number of meeting points when the speed ratio is more than double also, and no matter whether they are starting from the same place or they are coming towards each other. But the important things to be noticed that we have to just plot this graph. So how many meeting point I got? 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, so they are having 6 meeting points. One person can also think, now what are the number of meeting points when they are in the same direction or when they are coming from opposite. So that can be the case also. So let us see also from this graph also, I will give you answer. So when you can see for the very first round, B is coming towards A. Now they are approaching towards. So this is the meeting from opposite side. Are you getting it? From opposite side. This is also, we have to just observe, this is the meeting from the opposite. Similarly, second meeting would be, now second meeting, just try to understand. A is also in the same direction, B is also in the same direction. Are you getting it? Yeah. B is also moving, A is also in the same direction and B is also moving in the same direction. So they are in the same direction. So second meeting would be, in same direction, means A will be overtaking, B will be overtaking, because B is actually faster, so B will be catching A. So in same direction. Okay, third meeting point, you can see. Now B is coming from opposite end and A is in the same direction. So this is the opposite end. Okay, this is opposite. Fourth meeting point. The fourth meeting point is like that. They are just opposite now. Fourth meeting point is here. So you can see this is this direction. It is actually A is coming from, this is A is coming from B to A and B is coming from B to A. Now again this is important. This is in the same direction, opposite direction, right? Because B is coming from that place and A is approaching the B. So this is again opposite. this is again also opposite. So M4 is also opposite, right? Opposite. Now fifth meeting point, this is fifth meeting point. So A is also coming at the same spot and B is also coming at the same spot. So this is same. So this is in the same way. So we can say same direction वाला spot. ठीक है, तो this is same meeting, same direction. And sixth meeting point would be, now both have started from the same location, so they are going in the same direction, there will be no meeting. So now when B is returning, now 5 rounds B is here, now 6 round B is here, now B is returning and A is in the same direction. So again this is opposite meeting. So how many times they are actually meeting opposite from opposite direction? So we can say this is first, and this is second, and this is third, and this is fourth. 1 2 3 4 4 meetings will be from opposite direction. ठीक है, तो opposite direction से will be having 4 meeting, and same direction से then we'll be having 2 meetings also. So that was the solution that I would like to tell you for such questions whenever we have the speed ratio more than double. So I believe it is clear to you. If you have faced any problem, you can comment me, definitely I will try to reach to you. So thank you for bearing me, for the cooperation you are providing me. So thank you and see you in the next video. Till then, please subscribe the channel for more such important and interesting concepts, and see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Good night guys. Bye.